Okay, okay. Does it work? Seems to work, hopefully. But right now I don't know how the hell to switch this to my page, because that is not the displayed the screen that I want to display. How do I manage that? Okay. I'm kind of stuck right now. Okay, let's delete this because this is not gonna work out. That is not helpful at all. Maybe utilize this one. Okay. That seems to work better. Okay, let's leave it like this. What the hell is happening here? This one we can delete because we don't need this anymore. This one we can delete because we don't need this anymore. Okay. Greatly done. Academy screen. Academy audio. Okay, I think the music is back. That is good. This one we can delete because before that I deleted the wrong one. Remove. Yes. Now it's black. That's good. Okay, seems like I cannot really do a full screen, so I'm just gonna pull it like this. Okay, I hope that it's gonna be fine. Right? this way. No, that's ugly. Let's just leave it like this. Put it a little bit down. Like this. Like this. No. A bit arbor. And we got it. Okay. So, I think now we can get started, right? I hope so. So today I want to do a stupid Java course. So let's see how we're gonna do. It is Learn Java for a beginner. It requires 16 hours to complete. Don't know if I can keep up with 16 hours, but let's see. I don't think so. Man, I think I just last for 2 hours and I'm gone, bro. I don't think I last that long. But still, let's get started. You guys know I'm Sisu and I'm really looking forward for this one. Let's see how we're gonna do. I don't think my skill is gonna be enough for this course, but for the I think for the first half I think we're gonna do fine. Introduction to Java. Welcome to the world of Java programming. Syntax. Okay. Class hello world, public static, compiler, Java manager, what? It's the Java virtual machine, which ensures the same Java code can be run on different operating system and platforms. Sun micro system. Java remains one of the most popular program languages today. Okay. One reason people love Java is the Java virtual machine, which ensure the same Java code can run on different operating systems and platforms. Sun microsystem slogan for Java was a write once, run everywhere. Okay. Programming languages are composed of a syntax, the specific instruction which Java understands. We write syntax in files to create programs which are executed by the computer to perform the desired task. Let's start with the universal greeting for programming language. We explore the syntax in the next exercise. Looking at a computer program written in Java, run the code in the next editor to see what's printed to the screen. Hello world, great. Okay. Syntax. The Sun microsystem released the Java, what is that? Micro, okay. What the hell is happening here? Jesus Christ. Video game company Sun. Sun Microsystem. It's an American technology company that sold computers. Okay. In 1995. Right ones run everywhere. So, okay, okay, let's keep going. Runs on different platforms. We had a class. Class is a blueprint or template for an object in Java. Talk about classes more in the future, but for now think of them as a single concept. The Hello World concept is Hello World printer. Other class concepts could be a bicycle or saving accounts. Okay. We mark the domain of this concept using curly braces. Syntax inside the curly braces is part of the class. Okay, each file, blah blah blah. Okay. The text editor has a file, hello you Java. Okay, that's this one that contains a hello you class with a main hello you class. That's this with a main. Okay, inside main add a statement which prints hello some name with your name replacing some name. Make sure to end the statement with a semicolon. For example, if your name is okay, easy, it shouldn't be a problem. I think it was console. No, that's, I think that is wrong. That is completely wrong language. That is not the right language. How does it go? Was hello some name. We're just gonna take Sisu with your name replacing some name. Run. Fuck, we forgot the semicolon. Okay. Let's take a closer look at this instruction from our previous program. System print line hello world. Okay, print statement screen. Also refer to print statement output. Let's break this line of code down a little more. Don't worry if some of the term here are new to you. We'll dive into these later more in detail. System is a built-in Java class. Okay, got it. Okay, system is built-in Java class that contains we dive in, don't worry. What does it contains exactly? Again. We dive into what all of these are in much detail. We can use system print whenever we want. We program to create a new line on the screen after outputting a value. Okay. After hello world is printed, the output terminal creates a new line for the next statement to be outputted. This program will print each statement on a new line like so. That's because of this command, right? Print line. What if we just delete it? Then did you know I didn't? I just want to try something. Because if we do it like this, then it will print on one line. Okay. So we have to add the line like this. Then we can skip a line, right? Like this. So okay, nice. After the word is printed, terminal, okay, we got it. We also can output information using system out print line, yeah. That is what I mentioned. That is the one without the line. Notice that we are using print, not print line. Yeah, I know, unlike system print line. Okay. What should I do? Inside, let's play hide and seek. Output 3, 2, 1. Okay, got it. Then we're just gonna do this. Okay, the output is 3. Semicolon. System out print line 2. And semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon, my bro. Did you create a print statement using print? No, I didn't. Output the following 2 statements using. Okay. So I have to read first and then do it. But otherwise, it's not gonna work out. Underneath your previous statements, output the following 2 text values using system out print line. Got it. System out print line 1. System out print line. What is that? Ready or not? Here I come. One arrow because I missed the semicolon. For fuck's sake, every time the same. Right now I think we're good. Okay. We can go to the next session. What do we have here? Commenting code, writing code, blah blah blah. Okay, when comments are short, we use single line syntax. Okay, when comments are long, we use the multi-line syntax. Single line syntax, multi-line syntax. Another type of commenting options is the Javadoc comment, which is represented by. Is this the multi-line syntax? No, something else. Javadoc comments are used to create documentation for APIs, application programming interfaces. Okay. When writing Java docs comments, remember that they will eventually be used in the documentation that your users might read. So make sure you're especially thoughtful when writing these comments. Okay. Java docs Comments are typically written before the declaration of fields, methods, and classes, which we cover later in this course. Java docs comments. What the hell is a Java docs comments, man? Java doc. This is a Java doc, right? Kinda lost in this case. A class is a blueprint. Okay, got it. Here's a comment. What looked in a complete program. Okay. Comments are differently from printing to the screen. When we use the system, these comments won't show up. Okay, they are only for people who read our code in the text editor. Okay. The file timeline.java has a plain text information about Java. Okay. This one, I think. Plain text facts aren't valid syntax. We use comments to avoid breaking the program. Use a single line comment syntax for a first fact. Like this. Change this line into a comment. Got it. Fuck. What the hell? Okay. Our program is still broken. True. Use the multi-line syntax to make these lines into single comments. This one. How does it go again? I think like this. And we're gonna end it with the other way around. Get it? Nice. Keep going. Semicolons and white space. As we saw with comments, reading code is important. So okay, we should write code that is easy on other people to read. Those people can be co-workers, friends, or even yourself. Java does not interpret white space. What the hell is white space? The areas of the code without syntax. Okay. But humans use a white space to read code without difficulty. Functionally, these two code samples are identical. Right. To print the same text, but which prepare to read. Imagine if 100 instruction. Okay. Would be essential. Interpret semicolons are used to mark the end of the statement. One line of the code that performs a single task. The only statement we have seen so far is system out print line. Method or usable pieces of codes in classes. Fact difference between a method and a function is that methods are always related to a class. Or okay, there are no semicolons at the end of a curly brace. Okay. The language fact.java file prints information about Java to the screen. Right. Unfortunately, the writer of the file has avoided using white space. Make the file easier to read by adding a new line after each statement. Okay. Inside main, add a new statement printing how you feel about coding. Start the message with programming is. Remember to place a semicolon. Got it, bro. System out print line. Programming is difficult. Just like this. Next one. Compilation, catching errors. Java is a compiled programming language, meaning the code will write in a .java file is transformed into bytecode by a compiler before executed by Java virtual machine on your computer. A compiler is a program that's translate human-friendly program languages into other program languages that computers can execute. So my program.java, so this one, compiler, my program.class, the Java virtual machine, and the program that's gonna be active or deployed. So it's compiled into a bytecode, so that's the 10001 whatever before it's executed by the Java virtual. Okay, so before it's gonna be executed by this one, is the compiler will translate our code into the bytecode, and then the Java virtual machine is gonna execute it, the program on the computer. Okay. Previous exercise have compile of platform development environments can also compile and run files for you. But it's important to understand spec of Java development, so we will do it ourselves. The compiling process catches mistakes before the computer runs our code. The Java compiler runs a series of checks while it transforms the code. Code that does not pass these checks will not be compiled. Okay, this exercise will use an interactive terminal. Code Academy has a lesson on the command line. If you like to learn more, we could compile the terminal command. Okay, how do I do this? Can I like copy this and paste it here? What the hell? Don't know what happened, man. Javik, Plankton, Java. What? Javik, Plankton dot Java. Okay, it's just an example. We could compile it. A successful compilation produce a class that will execute with the terminal command. Okay, this part I kinda not understand. The Java compiler runs a series of checks while it transforms the code. Code that does not pass these checks will not be compiled. This exercise will use an interactive terminal. Code Academy has a lesson on the command line. What is this? It's also free. Okay, seems also free. Cool. Think I'm gonna take that. For example, with the file, we could compile it with the terminal command. Compile just means that we are just translating the code, the human code, to the computer code, right? To the here into bytecode. and then the Java virtual machine is gonna execute it. So this is just a preparation. A successful compilation produce a class file. Class file plankton that we execute with the terminal command. An unsuccessful compilation produces a list of errors. Okay, so technically I can command the compiler to execute this class, right? Hopefully I'm right. I'm not talking some dumb shit. Okay, I think I made a typo. I think that's the right way to write it. Still wrong. Compiling. How's this wrong, bro? An unsuccessful compilation produce a list of errors. Fuck. But I didn't even execute the code. Let's practice the compiling and execute a file by entering commands in the terminal. Yeah, I tried it. Our text editor contains a broken program. So we can see how compilers help us catch mistakes. Don't make any corrections. In the terminal, type this command. Okay. Then let's try it out. Okay. So they're gonna notice and indicate that a semicolon is missing at line 6. Oh, right. And press enter or return. You will see arrow, but don't worry, we will resolve it in the next step. Click check work button to check your work and move on to the next checkpoint. Do you see the arrow? Yeah. Check work. I don't know. A missing semicolon. Yeah, I replace it. In the terminal, type ls and press. What is ls? What is ls? ls in terminal. List files. Used to list files on its own. List all the files in the current directory except for hidden files. Okay. List files. Cool. It's short for list and and this command lists all the available files. There's only one file. Compiling .java. We did not successfully compile the JIF file because of the errors. Click the check button to move on. Add the missing semicolon. Then check and get going. Compilation, creating executables. Compilations help us catch an error. Now that we have corrected the file, let's walk through the successful compilation. As a reminder, we can compile a .java file from the terminal with the command javec weld. compile. So compile is like compiler, go through the code, look for mistakes, and indicate that, or show me that. If the file compiles successfully, this command produce an executable class, file name dot class. This is this one. Executable means we can run this program from the terminal. We run the executable with the command Java whales, like Java compiling.java, like this. What? Java is, yeah, like this. Because we managed to do this, right? Okay, no errors, so there's gonna be nothing to see. Note that we leave off the .class part of the file name. Here's the full compilation cycle as an example. Within the file welcome.java public class welcome, okay. Welcome to koi. We have one file. The terminal shows no error, indicates a successful compilation. We know have two files. Welcome. Original file with Java syntax. So welcome.class or compiled file with the Java bits by. Is this that? Welcome. And within the file welcome.java. Welcome.java, welcome.class or compiled file with the Java bytecode. And the Java bytecode is invisible, ready to execute by the Java virtual machine. Okay, we can execute a compiled class with the command Java. Oh, I hit myself. Oh my goodness. Java welcome. Oh my knee. Welcome. What? We can execute compile class with the command Java welcome. Okay. Java compiling. Okay, so it's exactly the same like this one. The following is printed to the screen. The following is printed to the screen. Great. Check work. Let's compile and execute our program. Run ls command in the terminal to see the uncompiled java.java file. Wait, I want to see that. So ls. And that is how a file looks like if it's uncompiled. How can I notice the difference if it's compiled or not? Okay, let's try compile it. Compiling is like this. Okay, fuck. Kind of fuck it up, man. Can I? But it is already compiled because I can run it, right? Oh my goodness, my fucking mistake. Could not find. Okay. Then we're just gonna try to compile it. Compiling. Okay, no, it's not gonna work. What the hell? Javek. Compiling. .java. Okay, I compiled it to the ls. Okay, crazy. Now I can see the compiling class and the compiling.java. That's is the one from me, because before we just see the compiling.java, and now we also have the class, because this is the compiled one extracted from this one, and within this one there's bytecode, right? Yeah, it's translated in bytecode, I think. Or how's it called again? What is it called again? Bytecode? Bytecode, yeah. Bytecode, so 1010, yeah, that is called. That is how it's called. Bytecode. Okay, now we have both of them. Then we can try to execute the compiled file, and it worked. It worked. That is great. Check works. Compile the file from the terminal. Check work. Enter ls again and see. Check work. Did it. Already did it. Java review. Putting it all together. In this lesson we started writing our first programs. In Java we'll also learn rules and guidelines for how to write Java programs. Java program have at least one class, and okay. Each class represent real world idea, blah blah blah. Java comments are helpful. Okay, Java has white space. Okay, curly braces and semicolons. White spaces for humans to read code easily. Curly braces mark the scope of a class and method. Semicolons mark the end of a statement. Java's compiled language. Compiling catch mistakes right in our code. Compilers transformer code into an executable class. Text editor holds an empty file name review. Java fill it. Define a public class name. Public class review. Curly braces. Public voids main public string. What how do I write that again? I think it's like this, right? I think that's public void string. I think the string is wrong here, because it goes into the braces. And it goes like this, right? Is this right? Fuck, man. The text editor defined a public name review. What? Okay, I already got it. Run. Explain error. You don't have to explain me that. I already got it. It's fine. This code produces an error because Java needed a main method. Created one. Defined the main method within the curly braces of the review class. Already made one. Did you define a main method within the review class? Yes, I do. Okay, what is the problem, bro? Did you define? Yes, I do. What the hell, man? Huh? This code produces error because the Java need a main method. Define a main method within the curly braces. It is within the curly braces of the review class. Yes, looks like you have an error. Double check the syntax. What should I exactly check, bro? Invalid method declaration return type required. Then we just gonna give him the return type. Is this gonna work now? Error. Methods not found in the class review. Please define the main method as a public static. Okay, then we're gonna do the public static, man. Is this gonna work now? No, because the string and the args is missing. Okay, now it's working. Inside the curly braces for the main method, write the main method executes the tasks of the class as a single line comment. Inside of the curly braces for a method. Write the main method execute. What? What you talking about, man? What you talking about, man? For me, the main method executes the tasks of the class. Alright. Below the comment, write a statement that prints the following. Then I have to write this system out print line. My first Java program from scratch. Semicolon. Thank you. Crazy. Wow, lesson complete. How many lessons are left? What is this? What brings you to Code Academy? I just want to learn for school, bro. No, thanks. I'm good. Hello world. Upgrade to get more from Code Academy. Good. I just want to do the free course. I'm fine with that. Okay, what is an IDE? It's the integrated development environment, an application that makes programming easier. Okay, and I'm going to consolidate the different aspects of writing a computer program, increase programmer productivity by combining common activities of writing software into a single application, editing source code, building, executes, and debugging. Of writing code is an important part of programming. We start with the blank file, write a few lines of code, and program is born. IDE facilities is a process. IDE facilitate this process with features like syntax highlighting and autocomplete. Syntax highlighting. Okay. Do I need this autocomplete? Yeah, I know the autocomplete function because it is kinda annoying. I kinda worked with it before. It is kinda annoying if you want to write something else and the autocomplete is trying to suggest you this, suggest this one, suggest this option, and you just want to complete this line for yourself. But we cannot have anything, so that's why I just press a button to disable it, bro. Yeah, don't need that. This compilation process is necessary for every program. No, not really. So why not have the IDE do it for us? No thanks. I'm good with that. Debugging. No programmer avoids writing bugs, right? And programs with error, right? That is true to be true. To examine different variables and inspect their code in a deliberate way. IDEs also provide hints while coding to prevent errors before compilation. Oh wow! Oh no! There's something missing. Wow, not obvious at all, man. Coding on your computer, the biggest benefit to using an IDE is that it allows you to code and run Java programs on your own computer. What? No way. We recommend IntelliJ IDEA, whatever the A stands for, which you can download for macOS, Windows, and Linux. You should download, install Java to your computer before using an IDE. There are 2 videos that walk through how to set up an IDE. No thanks, I'm good. Article complete. No, I'm good. What now? Okay, what is happening now? Let's say we need a program that connects a user with new jobs. We need the usernames, the salary, okay, a profile. So it's just a profile. All of these pieces of information are stored in our program, okay? We store information in variables. Okay, name, location, memories, naming a piece, information allows, okay, later assessing. The value 42 could be someone age, a weight in pounds. With a name, we know the value 42 is age, weight in pounds, or to place it in Java. We specify the type of information we're storing, primitive data types or types of data built into the Java system. The 3 main primitive types we are covering are int, double, and Boolean. This lesson will introduce these built-in types and more. We must declare variable to reference it within our program. Declaring a variable requires that we specify the type and name. Data type, variable name, the name of the variable both or age. Okay, this variable don't have any associated value. To assign a value to a variable, we use assignment operator. This one, whatever that call. Now age has a value of 85 when code is used to represent a fixed value like 85. It is referred to as a literal. So this variable is a literal. It's also common to declare a variable and assign it a value in one line. Okay, crazy. Let's get started, man. Oh, man, I have some. My back feels kind of broken, man. I'm a old man. I'm feeling like an old man. Okay, let's just lean back a bit, trying to prevent my back to be broken. Okay, in creator.java we have defined some variables related to James Gosling. Is James Gosling a real human being? James Gosling. Oh, it is a Canadian computer scientist. Crazy. Didn't know about that. Oh, Larry Page. Billie Eilish. Okay, James Gosling. Seems like a wise man. James Gosling, creator of Java, announces retirement. Seems like a wise man. Oh my goodness. The voices in my headphones are scaring me. Just like I'm talking, and then at some moment I think a voice like Siri just says, "Battery low." That is scary as hell, man. Inside main, use system or print line to print out the name, at least the variable name. Got it. Use the same command to print out year created. System out print year created. Next. The first type of data we'll store is the whole number. Whole numbers are very common in programming. You often, okay, in Java, whole numbers are stored in primitive, and it's okay, declare, okay. The file has a number of comments in it. In your head, count the number of comments. Then inside the main method, declare a variable called num_comments that holds how many comments you counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the main. Num_comments equals 6. Print it out. System out print line. Fuck you. Didn't say that. Mens. Semicolon. 6. Next. Don't college what we need for every programming. Program where we want to store price, blah blah blah. Okay, the double primitive can help. Okay, as well, very large and very small numbers. The maximum value is 1 billion, million, whatever. Okay, which approximately 17 followed by 307 zeros. So double is actually greater than float, right? I think float is smaller. And that's why float is also, how do I say? It is more precise, I think. To declare a variable of type double, we use the double keyword in the declaration. Double keyword double can have decimal places. As of 2016, Android has 81.7% of the market share for mobile operating systems. Created a variable called Android share that holds this percentage as a double. Easy enough. Android's share 81.7%. Print out the number. Android share. Okay, I'm finished. Next. Often our programs face questions that can only be answered with yes or no. Okay, seems like a boolean. Boolean. We declare boolean. Keyword, okay, in future lesson boolean value help navigate decisions in our program. Create a variable called ints can hold decimals. Set it to true if int type can hold a decimal number. Set false if it int type cannot do this. Wait. Boolean int can't hold decimals is true. Man, it's true. Okay. I think just in my universe it's true. Print out your... just print it out, bro. Print out the variable. Ints can't hold decimals. False. Let's do this. Let's do this. How do we answer questions like, what grade did you get on the test? What letter does your name start with? The cha. The cha. Cha cha. Data type can hold any character like a letter, space, or punctuation mark. A punctuation mark is this one, right? Okay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Punctuation must be surrounded by a single quote. Okay. Okay. Create a variable called expected grade. Expected grade is a. Hey, I know it. I know it. I know it. Expected grade. Single Mac. Mac 2. Man, I am such a boss. Wrong button. Wrong button. Char. Like this. Print it out. Got it. System. Out. Print line. Blah blah blah. Print it. X. Oh! Expected grade. Please. Don't misspell it. Please, mamma mia. Pruciano, Pruciano. Bread. A bread. So far we have learned primitive data types, which are the simplest types of data with no build in behavior. Our programs will also use. Okay, I got it. Oh my goodness, my headphones with battery low. Also use string s, which are objects instead of primitives. Objects have built-in behavior. Okay. For example, we printed our hello world. There are two ways to create a string object: using a string literal or calling the string class to create a new string object. A string literal is any sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, like primitive type variables. We declare a string variable by specifying the type first. Okay. Like here. Okay, we could also create a new string object by calling the string class when declaring a string, like so. String salutations, new string hello world. There are subtle differences in behavior depending on whether you created a string using a string literal or a new string object. So this is a string literal, this is a string object. Okay, we dive into those later, but for now we almost always be using string literals. Got it. Keep reading AP. Application program, computer, sign, students. Certain symbols known as escape sequences have an alternative use in Java. Print statements. Escape character begin with the character slash or not slash, I don't know. There are 3 escape sequences to be aware of the AP exam. Escape. Okay, system. If we didn't use an escape sequence, oh, it's an escape sequence. There are a lot of sequences. Escape character begin with the character escape, whatever that is. Allows us to add quotation marks to a string value. Okay, I understand. Okay. So it's gonna print the also the quotation mark. Okay. If we didn't use the escape sequence, then Java would think we using quotation mark to end the string. Using the escape sequence allows us to place backlash in our string tags. Okay. Okay, let's go. Create a variable. Value of yesterday. Okay. Opening lyrics. Fuck. How do I do this? Like this, right? And then yesterday all my troubles seem so far away. Like this, right? How does it work again? Oh, fuck me. System out print line. Like this? No, wait. Just put the variable in there first. And then we're gonna try the escape sequence. Where's the escape sequence? Like this. How the hell do I put that? Like this. Like this. This. Be gone with that one. Like this. Be gone with that one. I think that's the right spelling or not. I miss an escape sequence here. Escape sequence, bro. Oh my god, what the hell? That is crazy. Crazy mazy. Okay, I have to print it out. I did print it, bro. What are you to call to print it out? Did you print out opening lyrics? Yes, I did. Bro, what do you want from me? What? the hell? Did you print out? Yeah, I did. Bro, what the hell, man? What do you want? Bro, what is wrong with the system now? Don't understand the problem. Get stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. You need to pass it as an argument to the system function. Remember, you don't need to put quotes around variable names. Okay. Sorry. Got it. Yeah. What do you want? Ka-ching. The Java programming language has static typing. Java programs will not compile if a program will assign the value is incorrect like this, because this one is an int and not a string. So it's wrong. So I just check the file again. Check it. No problem, man. Arrow, class name mess are only accepted if annotation processing is explicitly requested. Bro, what do you mean? Okay, I wrote it wrong. Maybe try it like this. Okay, shut up. Java. Okay, now I got it right. Yes, I do. Okay, run. String. What do we have here? We have cannot be converted string double. Here we have a char. I can see that already. Shrek. Char, or what was it before? Int. Okay, int is not gonna do. Char is gonna do. This one is a double. And this one is a boolean. Compile the file again. Marek. Let's imagine we're storing a user name for their profile. Which code example do you think it's better? I think this one, because this one is more explicit. Yeah, because it's more understandable for the user. In the name of love, we declare a variable with confusing names. Run the file and look at the error messages you get when trying to compile. Some of these variables names are illegal. Change the ones that are preventing the file from compiling. think that's about it, right? So, creating a filling variables is a powerful concept that allows to keep the track all kinds of data is in a program. In this lesson, we learn how to create and print several different data types. In Java, which you use as you create bigger and more complex programs, we covered in the which stores whole numbers, and we cover double, which stores bigger whole numbers and decimal numbers. A boolean, which stores true and false. The chare, which stores single characters using single quotes. And for the last one it's string, which stores multiple characters using double quotes. Static typing, which is one of the safety feature of Java. Variable naming conventions. Okay. Still this one. String. Practice declaring variables and assigning values to make sure you have a solid foundation for learning more complicated and exciting Java concepts. The file my profile Java contain a class that represents your hiring profile as represented to potential employers, not employees. In the main method, create a variable called name that holds your name, my name, and the name of love as a sequence of characters. What could that be it? So do this, and we're gonna do Jeju. Run. Create a variable called age that holds your age as a whole number. I'm 25. Create a variable called desired salary that holds your desired salary per year to a precision of 2 decimal points. Got it. Desired salary. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Okay, create a variable called gender that holds a single character. M, F, N, O. Okay. Is that that important? Single. Zack. Wait a sec, what happened? Create a variable called looking for a job that holds whether or not you are currently open to a what? I'm sick. Oh my goodness. Aku be homophobic. My bitch is gay. Right. Looking for job. For fuck's sake. Bro. Run. Run. Yoo-hoo, lesson complete. We are so OP, we are so doing good. Oh. Find out which career, language and courses suits your personal interests. Okay. Okay, let's take it. Why not? I prefer to spend time thinking about real life. Spend my time completing puzzles, answering questions by using completing car puzzles. When cleaning up, I always do one task at a time until I finish. Take breaks between each subtask. One task at a time until I finish. I would rather watch a thrilling and exciting action movie, character-driven drama, an insightful documentary about how things are built. Oh, this is also interesting. This is also nice. I just gonna watch this. When I see a painting, I admire it for its beauty, consider what makes this painting popular and important, wonder what technique a painter used to paint it. Don't know about that. When cooking, a recipe, I follow the instruction precisely, look at the picture and wing it, taste as I go and adjust. Oh no, the other one is also beginning to tweak, bro. Bro's hitting me with the battery low. I cannot believe it. How could you hit me with the battery low? How could you hit me with the battery low? What sounds more like me? Looking things up and as I need answers to them, learning everything about one topic, knowing a high-level summary of 10 topics, looking things up as I need it. I tend to see life through the lens of picture, system and stories. Pictures. Damn. Become a software engineer. Build websites with HTML as CSS and GitHub pages. Dot connector. Analyze data with SQL. R is a statistic programming language created specifically for data scientists and researchers. whether you're working with financial or marketing data, or will provide you with all the tools you need to analyze data. Python is a general purpose programming language used for everything from web development to data science. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world and has grown support for data science. Okay. Cool. Skip. Okay, I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of tired. Okay. What lesson do we have now? Wait a sec, let me close the window because it's fucking cold, man. It is crazy cold. Man, it's crazy cold and it is also raining. Perfect condition. Okay, what now? In the file guessing game, we have to find two integers, mystery 1 and mystery 2. Use system print line to print a variable that holds a value 2. Outprint line mystery 2. Tuck. Easy go. In our bank account example from the last exercise, we use the operation plus operator to add value balance. Okay. Minus, want to withdraw minus. Balance plus deposit amount is 21,000 minus, okay. Num picture of cats, 60 plus 24 is 84. We could use the following line of the code to store 84 in num. Okay. What if we took an additional photos? We can reflect this change using the increment plus when we append plus to a number base variable, increase the value by 1. We also have the decrement operator minus. We're okay. Create an int variable called enemy. then that holds the amount of zebras plus the amount of, okay, got it. Zebras in zoo plus giraffes in zoo. I should print it. Animals in zoo. Two of the zebras have been traded to the neighboring variable zoo, subtracting 2 from the number of zebras and store the result into the variable. I don't know. Can we also do this? Animals in zoo minus animals in zoo minus. I mean, technically it's working, but it seems not to work because we are doing it wrongly. Now it should work. No, but it doesn't count. Whatever. Then we're just gonna do the traditional way. I'm gonna do this the traditional way. How are we gonna do this? Like this. And then we're just gonna paste this one here inside and -2, right? And I'm gonna system or print this again. Right? Not right, okay. 2 of the zebras have been traded to the neighboring. Okay, and start the result into the variable called. Okay, a completely new num zebras after trade. Zebras in zoo. Like this. Num zebras after trade. Like this. For fuck's sake. Oh, I miss a Thibaut. Another Thibaut. Like this. Oh, come on, man. Come on. What? What is the problem, man? Cannot find symbol. What symbol? You stupid, man. Num zebras after trade. That is correct. Oh. Okay, now I see that. This one is missing. Stupid. That one was missing. Multiplication and division. let's say that our employer is calculating our paycheck and depositing it to our bank account. We work 40 hours last week. This rate of $15, 50 an hour. Java can calculate this with the multiplication operator. There's a variable named subtotal, which represents the subtotal of an amount to pay on a bill, and a variable called tax, which represent the tax rate that will be applied to the subtotal. Create a double variable total that holds subtotals plus the product of subtotal and tax. Okay. Double total sub plus, what the hell, where's plus? Where the hell is plus? Am I stupid? Huh? What? Plus the product of the subtotal and tax. Where's the product? There's a variable called subtotal which represents the subtotal of amount to pay on bill, and variable called tax which represent the tax rate. That holds subtotal plus the product of subtotal and tax. Kinda confused, man. What the fuck? What? So I have to plus tax, right? You need to multiplication and addition operators. By tax first to calculate the tax amount, then add the subtotal this to the subtotal. Okay. Which represent the subtotal of the amount of to pay on a bill, and a variable called tax. Create a double variable to the subtotal plus the product, and then plus subtotal multiply tax, right? This. I think it's like this. Like this. system out print line Odo. Okay, there were 4 people who bought this meal together and want to split the cost. Okay. Okay, I'm too tired to keep going, so I'm just end it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, the stream. We will see each other the next time. Hope you enjoy the time. Have a great day and good night.